Hello dear students, how are you today? You're welcome to this master class about traditional remedies. Okay, today we are going to talk about traditional medicine. We use a lot of plants in order to take care of us. Okay, let's see some health problems. Allergy, food poisoning, the flu, migraine, indigestion, stomachache, a sneeze, stuffy nose, fever, or a rash. In these problems, we use medicine, ancestral medicine. Okay, we are going to talk about some remedies. For example, here we have a guayusa tea. It keeps you mentally alert. Ginger. Migraines can be treated with ginger. Boldo tea is used to, it has digestive properties. And PII402 tea is used to treat intestinal infections. Okay, as you see, guayusa is a plant. We use the leaves. Ginger is a kind of root. Boldo is used to make a tea. It is a plant, and PII402 is a plant, okay? Next, we are going to talk about flu. How to avoid the flu. Okay, first, as you can see, you can get the flu vaccine or wash your hands frequently, okay, before and after eating or drinking, after using the restroom, after blowing your nose, after shaking someone's hand, okay? In this case, you have to avoid touching your face, avoid crowded places. And if you catch the flu, you have to avoid spreading the virus to others. Drink water, teas, or stay home, okay? You have to stay at home, take a rest. And then we are going to use the adverbs in order to give some advices or to talk about this medicine. Okay. With advice, we use some adverbs. For example, as soon as, before, when, until, or after. For example, as soon as I get up, I make coffee. Before I get dressed, I have my first cup. When it's raining, I usually drink 2 cups. Until I have coffee, I don't like to do anything. After I have coffee, I'm ready to start my day. Okay, these are adverb clauses of time. Okay, here we have more examples. As you can see, the adverbs can use different places in a sentence. For example, when and after. Okay. Analyze the sentences. We can use in different positions. Here we have another examples. For example, before I get dressed, I have my first cup of coffee. We use a comma in this position. And then I have my first cup of coffee before I get dressed. As you can see, we need a comma in the first sentence. Don't forget it. Check the the next examples. I had my first cup of coffee before I get dressed. I had my first cup of coffee before I get dressed. What's the difference? Okay? Keep in mind. Next, here we have how to treat a cold. There is no cure for a cold, but here are some tips to feel better faster. Okay, in these sentences, as you can see, we have adverbs. As soon as, while, when, before, until, after, as long as, and whenever. Okay, here we have some advice. Don't drink coffee or soda while you are sick. Get lots of rest when you have a cold. Talk to doctor before you give cold medicine to a child. Okay, these are interesting tips in order to feel better when you get a cold, okay? Here we have some traditional medicine. For example, after you blow your nose, wash your hands with uña de gato. Uña de gato is a special liquid taken from a tree, as you can see in the picture. Next, we have guayusa. When you get a flu, drink guayusa to be mentally alert. Guayusa gives you a special energy, okay? Don't forget it. Okay, in the forum, answer the following questions. What do you think is the most effective ancestral remedy for flu? Try to investigate or research about it. How do you think ancestral medicines have been passed down through generations? Talk with your parents or your grandparents about it, and you are going to get the answer. How do you think ancestral remedies have influenced scientific medical advancements? Okay, try to research about this interesting topic about medical advancement. Okay, it is your task. I hope you can find and you can enjoy doing it. Okay, participate in the forum. Bye bye.